The AquaBrick Water Filtration System will provide up to 550 gallons of pure, safe water, even if the water source is heavily contaminated. The DuraFlo filter used with the AquaBrick filtration system has been independently end-of-life tested and certified to meet or exceed the EPA quality water standards for removing 99.9999% of bacteria, 99.99% of virus, and 99.99% of Giardia or Cryptosporidium. The other amazing feature of the AquaBrick filtration system is its simplicity. Anyone can use it anytime, anywhere. First, fill the AquaBrick with water. It holds approximately 3 gallons, or 11.35 liters. Next, attach the Quick Connect filter line to the bottom of the lid. The DuraFlo filter is attached to the other end of the tubing. Place the filter inside the AquaBrick and tighten the lid. Now, attach the pump line to the air input port. Next, connect the spigot line to the lid by pressing the Quick Connect end of the line to the dispensing port on the top of the lid. Take the bulb pump in your hand and squeeze it 5 to 10 times. This will press air into the AquaBrick. To dispense the filtered water, simply squeeze the spigot lever and let the clean water flow. It's that simple. The AquaBrick is easy to empty out completely. Just remove the lid, tip the AquaBrick while holding the comfortable molded handles, and quickly pour out every drop. How about food storage? No problem. Beans, rice, even freeze-dried food. For example, it can hold 20 pounds or 9 kilos of dry beans. The AquaBrick is airtight and UV protected, so you can store food in the AquaBrick for many years. When it comes time to use the food, it's just as easy to empty out all the food as it is the water. The last bean will pour out in just a few seconds. Cleaning the AquaBrick is easy. Simply wash with warm soapy water, rinse, and let dry. Multiple AquaBrick containers can be interlocked together and stacked to maximize storage space. The AquaBrick Water Filtration System. Safe water, anytime, anywhere.